And the neighbor's got lots of chickens and roosters. That's what we get to hear all day long. Yeah, that's pretty much it on that. I don't know if you could hear that one. Well, let's go see what Steve's doing. Alright. Looks like he's struggling with something over here. Oh no. He's got the rags out. Oh boy. Steven. What are you? Oh my goodness. What are you?
I'm wearing protection at least.
No.
You said you had some broken pipes you had to fix.
Yeah, well, next time, try using these.
Channel locks. Next time I will.
Yeah.
I'm gonna clean this mess up.
Good idea.
Yeah.